Man, I thought I was crazy when it came to this lawn care game. I've realized I'm far from it. Welcome back, my friends. I appreciate you joining me here on Budget Lawns. If you are subscribed already, thank you so much. If you're not, please consider doing so. Hit the thumbs up button, notification bell, leave me a comment down below. All that stuff helps me out a ton here on the channel. Man, content this time of year is tough to come by. I know we've got Christmas lights coming up. We've got some stuff there, and I've got a few other things planned, but it's just not the easiest thing like it is during the season to just crank out these videos for you. But I had this idea today. Really, I didn't even have anything planned. This just kind of came to me. And the thought that I was going through was, you know, why this whole lawn care obsession annoys the crap out of me sometimes. You know, I thought I was pretty ate up with it and went a little bit overboard, but as it continues to blow up across social media on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and now TikTok, I've realized, man, I'm kind of pretty easygoing about this whole thing after watching the way a lot of people act to it. Maybe it's just because they're new to it, and you know, they think every time something happens they've got to jump on it, or it's just going to be a complete disaster if they don't. I don't know what the case is. Maybe you can give me a little insight into this, but you know, I think it's becoming more of a freak obsession for people than it is really a hobby or just something to entertain themselves. I mean, I'm walking around my yard. It's a really warm November day, like unusually warm. We've gone through several freezes and the grass still has not gone all the way dormant. We've got flowers blooming and a host of other problems, but they just really don't mean a whole lot to me right now. I've got bigger fish to fry this time of year. Holiday season's right around the corner. But I see things in my lawn that I know other people would just be losing their freaking mind over, and I just don't understand it. So maybe I'm looking for clarification. Like this right here. Okay, yeah, I put down a pre-emergent, but look at this POA. We had a really, really cool start to the fall, and this stuff started germinating in the shady areas before I even got my pre-emergent down. I mean, I've got it all along parts of this back fence and up along the bricks in the backyard. Whatever. Who cares? Who cares? It is not going to ruin your yard if you leave that there until the spring, or even wait till the summer so the heat can just zap it. I know a lot of you be freaking out right now. What can I do to kill this off? Do I need to wait till my Bermuda goes dormant? Oh my gosh, my whole lawn's gone to hell in a handbasket. No, it hasn't. Look at this. I have been completely eaten up by ants in the lawn. And this has never happened. I don't know why this is happening. We had a really, as I said, cool start to the fall. We had a lot of rain, just the right conditions for ants to kind of come in and take things over. And I ain't kidding you, it's everywhere. It is everywhere. So I think what I'm going to do with this is take the DIY lawn leveling tool that I made this past spring. I'll leave a link for that down below. Just go over it, try to smooth those ant mounds out. But look, if you think ants are gonna just completely kill your lawn, they're not. Actually, I read, I don't know, someone correct me if I'm wrong here, I read somewhere where they actually help to aerate the lawn. Aerate the lawn? I know I'll get pronounced something wrong in this lawn care game now, and people are like jumping all over you in the comment section. I tell you what, man, we got lots of know-it-alls starting to show up everywhere. And I know what you're thinking. Oh yeah, well, you're the one that creates the lawn care content and makes videos, so you think you're a know-it-all. No, I would consider myself more of a voice of reason. I'm here to get people to chill out sometimes. Somebody actually told me I was like the Dr. Phil of lawn care. I will gladly take that position because I think some of you are frankly losing your minds over this. The amount of money and time and worry and nonsense you're putting into this. It's a freaking lawn and grass. All right, Travis, end your rant right there. Okay, we'll end that right there. But actually, yeah, I did. I read that, you know, as far as ants in the lawn, really, they're more of a nuisance for your kids or pets or whatever. But other than that, they actually kind of help to aerate it because they'll kind of dig underground, bury underground, and they build their mounds up on top of the surface. But I mean, they are everywhere. Everywhere. I don't get it. I really don't get it. But I'll take that lawn leveling rake, kind of get those knocked down like I would if I was using it on sand to level the lawn like I did this past summer. Full playlist guide to leveling a lawn. I'll leave that down below as well, so you can start thinking about that before spring and summer gets here next year. But yeah, you can see there are just a lot of things going on in the lawn. And if you take anything out of this video, take this out of it. Who cares? Who cares? I mean, really. I kind of find the challenge of beating these problems and getting things back in tip-top shape part of the fun. And I can tell you from past experience that just leaving these things be is not going to do anything. Oh, here's another one. I told you about this in the last video. Oh my gosh, we had a lot of rain, and look at all the grass clippings that have dammed up. Oh, panic attack for lots of you. I'm feeling it. I know what's going on right now. I can't believe you're not going to get those up. That's going to smother the grass. You're going to let it die. Oh my gosh. Man, y'all read too much. Y'all read way too much on the internet. Oh, yeah, I don't know what else to say except for chill out. Chill out. Enjoy your holiday season. You want to have grass, green grass, all winter long? You know what you should do? If you've got Bermuda, move to Australia. Summer for them. Well, it's coming up for them, so they're coming out of dormancy. They've probably scalped by now, got their spring pre-emergent down. They're getting ready for a nice hot summer of green Bermuda grass. Move there. Then you don't even have to overseed. You just move to Australia for the summer, come back here for the American summer. Bam! Easy way to, funny enough, I imagine some of y'all actually doing that because you're so ate up with it. You're so ate up with it. All right. Show me some hate, show me some love, whatever you want to do down below. Not trying to stir the, yeah, I am trying to stir the pot here. Kind of want to see people's reaction to this. Is anyone else feeling that as this, like, because of COVID and everybody got into lawn care, that this whole community is just becoming one big pissing contest? You know, oh, look at my domination line. You know, I get the domination line, but you know who doesn't get it? Your neighbor, because they don't care. They're laughing at you, most likely. You're dominating them because they're not putting in near the time, the effort, or the money you are. Because they're sitting there going, I got way better things to do and way better things to spend my money on. Spend more time with my kids and my family, go on vacations, not be out in the lawn 7 days a week. Hey, I know we enjoy doing that, but if you're doing it to like beat your neighbor or anyone else in your neighborhood, reevaluate for a second, because it's like a 7'5" NBA basketball player playing against a 4'5" The 5-year-old doesn't care, can't beat you, doesn't want to beat you, couldn't care less. Oh, all right, I'm gonna quit going on. I want your feedback on this. Hit me up, let me know if you're kind of feeling the same things I am. And maybe I'm way off base. I don't know. Help me out here. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time here on Budget Lawns.